In a new court filing, the U.S. Justice Department has said that the top secret documents found at Donald Trump's Florida home were deliberately concealed to obstruct the FBI probe into the former U.S. President Donald Trump's mishandling of classified materials. The 54-page filing, which was released on Tuesday, outlined a year-and-a-half-long effort to try and recover thousands of classified documents that were improperly taken to Trump's Mar-A-Lago estate when he had left office in January 2021. The filing is also revealed as to how Trump's lawyers explicitly prohibited government personnel from opening or looking inside in any of the boxes.
What comes across loud and clear in the Department of Justice's filing is that there were delays after delays, and that Trump and his attorneys purposefully retained documents and obstructed the FBI's and the National Archives' ability to get those documents back. So I think obstruction really is the main issue here, and but for that obstructive conduct, don't think there would have been the search warrant and there would not be the criminal investigation that DOJ says is ongoing.
Now, the Justice Department has also released a photograph of some of the records from inside Trump's home bearing classification marks, some of which refer to clandestine human sources. And apart from this, some files were also marked as secret and top secret. Meanwhile, Trump's legal team has responded to the filings, claiming that the FBI agents had actually thrown the documents pretty haphazardly, and that the government's pursuit of documents was simply unjustified, further describing the raid as unprecedented, unnecessary, and also legally unsupported. The raid that took place on the 8th of August was triggered by a review of highly classified records that Donald Trump had finally surrendered to the authorities in the month of January earlier this year, after months of back and forth with the National Archives and Records Administration. Now, the August raid has taken the total number of secret documents that were recovered from the former U.S. president to more than 300. And our correspondent Susan Tehrani has been tracking this story pretty closely for us and has sent us this report from New York. Listen in.
Federal Judge Eileen Cannon has signaled that she will likely approve the appointment of a special master regarding the raid of Mar-A-Lago, the former president's residence, by the FBI. Her final decision will come on Thursday. It is the latest in this saga that's been playing out in the public and for public opinion to judge between the Justice Department and former U.S. President Donald Trump. The question is, why does Donald Trump want a special master, which is a third party, non-partisan, not Democrat, not Republican? It could be, for example, an attorney or a retired judge. Well, Trump's lawyers argue that a special master is necessary because the FBI might have seized some documents that are protected by executive privilege from the time that Donald Trump was president, and that those documents cannot be used against him in an investigation. But that argument is complicated because the FBI is investigating, among other things, the unlawful removal of government records. Also, the Justice Department says that it has already gone through these records and materials, something that the special master would have done as well. However, the Trump team says that a special master will continue to be useful because the team, Donald Trump himself, would gain further insight into what has been taken from Mar-A-Lago. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION. World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.